Hey guys, welcome back to Big Blue Truck. Today's going to be a short, quick one, a little bit of a scientific experiment. For years and years I've been using this Rain-X product on all of my windows. Every vehicle, my wife's vehicle, every vehicle in my family, I basically put Rain-X on it as soon as you can and keep it on there year round. And I was just at Walmart and just happened to run into this and see this, and I don't know if you can see it here, but it says it's not gonna focus, but basically it says it's good for paint, metal, plastic, and glass. And it got me curious. The ceramic stuff that's coming out on the market for vehicles is known for very hydrophobic properties between extreme water beating and sheeting, which is basically what this does. So I'm gonna give it a try. I think what we're gonna do as a control, I'm going to clean it with Chemical Guy's glass cleaner, because it's the only one that I have in the house. And I think what I'll do is probably just on this back window. You can see it's a little dirty, but I think just on this window what we'll do is do half Rain-X and half the ceramic coating, and then we'll do a little bit of test of the water beating and sheeting off of it, and then we'll see how long it lasts. Today is, I don't even know, May 7th. The car or the truck will be here outside for at least a week or so, as I leave Monday for a work trip. So it'll get rained on plenty. It's Florida, so it's basically raining every day this time of year. So it'll get plenty of environmental abuse, and then we'll do a quick test right after I apply it. I'm going to use one towel each for to avoid cross-contamination, and we'll do a cleaning, a deeper clean on it. I'll probably clean it twice just to make sure there's no debris on it, and then we'll take a look when I come back. Alright, so just as a pre-test, so you can see there's no coatings on the truck right now. You can see it's basically just sheeting completely off. There's no beading of any kind. Really, same on all the panels too. Part of the upcoming projects for this channel is going to be a light paint correction and a full deep clean and detailing. One more example. No hydrophobic properties of any kind. Alright, let's get this cleaned and then we'll apply the products. Alright, so there's a little contamination left on the window, specifically down here, probably from whatever runs off up top that drips down here. Like I said, I'm not going to worry about it too much right now because of the upcoming full detail. So we're just going to leave it. I'm going to apply the products and we'll go from there. These 50/50s are bread and butter for detailing channels and detail videos on YouTube. So we're going to do Rain-X on this side and the turtle wax ceramic on this side. Rain-X is applied. We'll let that haze for a second and then buff it. I'm applying this like you would to the paint. Most people tend to agree the application is to do a crosshatch, so horizontal stripes overlapping 50%, then vertical stripes overlapping to ensure that the coverage is complete. Two separate microfibers. Turtle wax, or the Rain-X. As always, comes right off. Turtle wax ceramic. Comes off very easy also. I don't see any of the rainbow that a lot of people talk about. Maybe that's specifically for the paint coatings and not the spray waxes. I can tell you just from the feel, this feels a lot smoother. It has a very waxy like touch to it. It feels a lot like after you just put a nice expensive carnauba on some paint. I mean, this is slick, but this is soft. Don't think you'll be able to see any difference. But it's very shiny. So just to recap, left side, Rain-X, turtle wax. Rain-X is very familiar, doing what it always does. Same with the turtle wax. Honestly, I'm not sure I can really tell a difference. I don't really see a difference at all. I'm gonna get an air blower and see if maybe we can tell how slick the surface is by adding some force behind it. So we got a air duster here, about 50 bucks on Amazon. I use this primarily for cleaning computer parts and servers and stuff like that, but it also does well at blowing dust and debris out of hard to reach spots on vehicles. So we're gonna wet it one more time and we'll send some air on it and see what happens. They're both extremely hydrophobic. We'll do it one more time for control. All right, they both did great. Granted, it's a minute after I applied it, but they look like they're doing their job very well. My estimation is that they'll be very closely tied, if not exactly equal, with the turtle wax coming out ahead on top in durability, only because it's meant for paint protection and not just glass. And I also feel like if that's true, it's probably the better product in general, meaning that even if the Rain-X works and works well, if you're going to use this for your paint anyway, it's one less product you have to have in your toolbox by keeping the Rain-X. Alright guys, that's it for this one. It's going to be super short. I'll probably coat the rest of the windows in the ceramic just to give it a little bit of a durability test all the way around, and we'll take a look and see what happens over the next couple weeks or so. Thanks for watching.